What's up guys, welcome back to the Doza Vlogs YouTube channel with the bro Connor and the Audi S4 4.2 litre V8. We're just on the way to the Motueka Drags. We've just arrived to the Motueka Drags. Old Mustang.
I like this Mustang shape.
They look sick, eh? Old Mustang GT next to the Audi S4. Pretty clean. That's pretty sick. What is it? Oh, it's a Cortina. I thought it was a Cortina.
Look at the size on that.
Far out, look at the exhaust. You could fit your whole arm in that. Jesus. I love meth. That's pretty crazy, eh? Massive tyres.
Meth. Same.
Do you love meth?
Yeah.
Sacked out, man.
Up now in lane 1 we have Matt Hazeldine in the Holden SS Commodore, and in lane 2 Flynn Shibnall Selwyn, hope I got that right, in the 1991 Nissan Skyline.
That red one got spin up. We have Jaden Oppen in the 1999 Yamaha, and in lane 2 Zach Wilkies in the 2024 Yamaha.
Limiter, eh?
Fuck, did he hit a limiter? He hit it for a while.
Those are quite.
lose.
Maybe not the VL.
Okay, I think the VL, but if that doesn't get traction, it's gonna lose.
Yeah.
I think that's how it's gonna go.
Yeah, I agree.
That VL sounds good.
That VL does sound good. That VL did not get traction, eh?
Up now in lane 1, we have Adam Thompson
Yeah,
of the
the blue one.
1963
The blue one. The blue one's gonna take it.
Craig in the 1970.
Blue one got We were wrong about that one, weren't we?
Yeah.
That's nuts. That's quick.
Lane Hilton and lane 1. That's a 97 buck.
Lambo versus Civic. What a lineup. Yeah.
Up now, Super Street qualifying round 2. In lane 1, we have Ben Dodson in the Honda Civic, and in lane 2, John Peplow in the 2015 Lamborghini Huracan.
Holy twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan. That thing's a weapon.
John in the Lamborghini coming in at 11 seconds with a speed of 163 miles per hour. Ben in lane 1 coming in at
It's like 260 k's,
speed
yeah.
of 109 miles per hour.
Like I'm straight out of Paddock.
One way to warm up the tyres, eh? Fucking hell.
So lane 1, that's Laura Gunston and the...
Look at the cage.
You'd need the Pilot Sport 4s, eh?
And the what's name?
Hey?
Crash bar looks so ugly. Neat. Like how it's done.
That is done well, eh? Twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan, that's insane.
Good morning. Super Sedan, can we we have you lined up behind modified and cop car safety lane.
That's crazy. That red Lamborghini Huracan has a twin turbo kit with 60k. That's nuts. Do you know how much power it's pushing? Like at least 1,000. Twin turbo. Near 1,000, I reckon.
So we aren't going to use it? Okay. Oh no, just leave it.
What a motor. Big Alice.
Fuck, feel the heat on that, Jesus.
Yeah, look at the motor on that.
Look at a motor, yeah. LS6. Oh, sick.
LS6R. What a motor.
Never seen one like that.
Bro, Powerade bottle? Yeah. Hey, bro. That's sick. Up the Starlet. I learned to drive manual in one of these.
Did you?
Yeah. Drag.
Look at the size of that.
Oh no. How cool is that? The brick. Slammed out van. It's a Volkswagen. I'm getting attacked by bugs, eh? What the What, Lemmy? I'm being swarmed by bugs here. Holy.
Holy fuck.
See, they're on you too.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh.
and the 1991 Nissan Skyline.
Yeah, Civic's got it. Yeah, good couple hours at the Motueka Drags. cool to see that Lambo racing. That Lambo is pushing 1150 horsepower with a twin turbo kit. That's insane. Anyways, we're getting out of here now. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching the Motueka Drags with us, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.